Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the 3 new features in Fish It Roblox. So Talon just dropped a massive update for Fish It, and it's way more than just new fish. The first new feature is that now you can move your luck totem or mutation totem whenever you put it. So let's say I put the totem, I misplaced the totem, let's say here, and you want to move to another location. Now you can easily go near your totem and pick it up again, and you can move it to another location in just seconds like this. And now let's move on to the second new feature. So the second feature is if you are annoyed by the effects of other roads, such as like this, the road effects, now you can easily turn off the effects by going to the settings. In here there are two things that you can do: self road effects and also other road effects. So if you want to turn off, or you don't want to see other road effects, you can just toggle it off like this. And let's see this other player. As you guys can see, there is no effects now, and you can also do it to your own road by enabling the self road effects off, like disabling it off. So that's the second new features. And the third new feature is that now you can craft your own charms by going to the new location, the lava basin. You can go inside the lava basin in here, and in this new location you can easily craft your own charms. I think this one in here, so let's go there. Up. Okay, so this is where you can craft charms. So that's the 3 new features in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.